Hello guys, what I'm gonna show you today is how you can make glass, okay, in Hytale. Now glass making follows a standard sandbox logic that requires a specific furnace and procedure in order to make it work, okay? So guys, the first thing you need is actually sand, okay? So you must go to a beach in zone 1 or the desert in maybe zone 2. Okay, I'm gonna show you right now how you can do this. I'm basically gonna approach this, beach in here, okay? So let's actually go a little bit faster maybe. And what I want to do is I'm going to equip your copper shovel or any kind of shovel really. That is going to work as well, okay? Any kind of shovel is going to work. You need this because you want to basically shovel the sand. As you can see in here, you want to shovel the sand. Okay? Okay. So once you have enough sand, what I want you to do is I'm going to build up your furnace. Okay, so you're basically going to come to your inventory. You're going to grab your furnace. You're just going to place it in here by using your right click. Now we're going to open. And now guys, it's very important that we have our charcoal. Okay, you can also use wood or coal. It doesn't matter. Okay, you can just use wood or coal, charcoal. Okay. In any ways, we're going to equip it in here. Now we're going to open the furnace. We're going to put it in. Now we're going to turn on our furnace. Okay, this is very important because it's going to allow us basically to, start making the glass. Okay, and we also going to put the sand as our input. Okay, you can use any kind of sand. White sand, any kind of sand. So let's turn it on. And now it's going to start producing, guys. Keep in mind that this is going to start to burn up your charcoal or your wood, okay? And you can see how many you have left in here. As you can see, I have 86 right now. And it goes pretty quickly, okay? And so the moment you're done, just make sure to turn it off. As you can see, this is the output that we can collect as well. Now I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to collect all of my things back. And I'm going to destroy it now, as you can see. Okay, great. And now I have my glass. Okay, so this is pretty much how you can do it. Also guys, if you want crystal glass, which is the clear blast resistant version, you must combine glass blocks with elements shard at a tier 3 workbench, okay? But this is maybe for a later tutorial. Thank you so much.